Hey guys, welcome back to Factory Fiction. Welcome back to another episode. We're back working on the Mark IV again. Our boy Logan is back. I got the drains that we needed the last time. They came in yesterday, two days ago. Logan's like, come over on Wednesday. Here he is. So our plan is to get them installed and then do one more leak test. I'm sorry if it's super loud. Both cars were dead, so I had to start them up, and they're running in the background. They're both modified, so they're loud. But yeah, there they are.
So
Nice and new.
our plan is to use this. We're gonna run it down from sunroofs down the drain, and then hopefully it'll come out the little nipple at the bottom.
Yeah, hopefully it'll come out like where our hole
And then
is.
we'll pull it through, and then we'll put the line that's through there, through this guy,
through that and pull it on, right?
and then push this on.
Yeah.
So hopefully it works.
We're hoping then if we leak test it is dry, we can start putting carpet back in. We can actually start putting stuff back in this car. So that's super exciting. But anyway, that's our plan. Let me throw on a time lapse for you guys, and we'll see you in a few. I can't get this, man. Ugh.
If you ever need lube, glass cleaner.
Oh.
Oh shit! Too much!
Oh, wow.
Too much!
This guy said too much. Looked like he's spackling a wall. You were saying, look.
I was saying.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
I was saying I'm fixing your car. Except this thing's kind of
Flick the nipple there, dude.
I can't. It's inverted. Okay, well that one's in. Well, I guess I could take it out and retry it.
Alright guys, so it's been maybe about 5 minutes. We went ahead and got this one. Logan's lube did work. So there you can see.
Better when it's wet.
So you can see right there, the new one is in. And seems like it's connected. I mean, we'll see.
We'll see.
We'll see. So we did the same for the driver's side. So now the only thing is left to do is
Water test.
water test. Water test. Yeah. So we're gonna roll up all the windows. I'm gonna hit up the hose and we're gonna check it again. Hopefully no leaks. then we can really celebrate. So I'm gonna set up the tripod, give you guys some time lapse just like last time. See you again in a minute. All right, guys, so I went inside, got a pitcher of water. We're not using the hose this time. Logan's literally...
We only have to test this one spot, so...
Yeah.
That's why there's no point.
All right, so let me, I don't know why I followed him around that way. I'm gonna go from this way.
So there's a little hole there, and that's where it drains. So I'm just gonna kind of... We gotta have the door open, I guess.
Yeah, hey. Might work, huh?
Does it look like it's going through the hole? And it looks like it's coming right out the new nipple.
Yeah?
Hell yeah, brother.
Does it?
Yeah, dude. That nipple is leaking.
Oh, dude.
Okay. So, see you down there and see if it'll come out this side.
Yay! Right out of there! Like a steady stream.
Oh, good.
Yeah! Oh! Dude!
No leak on the inside.
Hey!
Oh, damn it.
What?
I spoke too soon.
Did you really?
Yeah. Okay. So why is it leaking here?
All right, guys. Well, that requires more investigation. We celebrated too soon. There's still water coming in on the floor somewhere, so we gotta figure it out. Check back in with you guys when we figure out what's going on.
Smell to it too.
All right, guys. So we think we just didn't have that hooked up again, right?
Yeah.
So we rehooked it up. Seems to be draining really well. No more water inside the car. Logan's throwing the cowl back on here, so we can do one more actual water test. I'm gonna let him sit in there. I'm probably just gonna use the pitcher of water that we have. I'm probably not gonna use the hose because, did you need to test the? Do we need to test the trunk again though, bro? Because you said it was kind of leaking in the trunk.
It kind of
right?
was, yeah.
You want to check it like one more time?
Yeah, we can check it one more time.
Just to make sure. You need some help, bro?
Yeah, you want to grab Phillips and take that off because it'd be way easier with
totally.
I mean,
It's not doing anything, you freaking. This freaking guy.
it's gonna be fine, I think.
All right.
I think it'll be fine.
So are you ready for leak test now?
Yeah, use the... You have that much water.
I can use the hose if you
use the hose.
Okay.
And just spray like on this.
Yeah.
And then let's do waterfall effect first.
Yep.
And then spray it.
Okay.
And then for the trunk, there's no button. For the trunk, try not to get the trunk too wet yet.
Okay.
I want to look at it first.
All right.
Well, here, I'll just look at it real quick.
Okay. It's on the door, bro. There you go.
I used your key.
Did you? Nice.
Shit, this is a heavy trunk. Yeah, it was a body seam last time. It was this body seam down here. So I think we'll just have to watch and see what happens when we do the trunk, okay?
Okay. So where do you want me to start here?
Yeah, just do it like last time you did the trunk.
Okay.
But let's do this first.
That first. Okay. All right, guys, I'm gonna grab the hose. I'm gonna put you on time lapse. We'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, so we just did the leak test. You watched, obviously. What's the conclusion, Logan?
Looks leak-free now,
Hey!
which is good. Which is really good. It was a pain in the ass, right?
I mean, it wasn't terrible.
I mean,
compared to like the time amount invested in every tiny job on this so far, this seemed like not very much.
That's true.
For how big of a problem it was.
Yeah, that's true.
Right?
Yeah.
I mean, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's what literally got a bug in your butt and made you literally strip this car while me and James were working on the clutch.
If we did our little bit of research first, it would have been probably a lot less steps to get here.
Got you.
But we still had to do it because the previous owners didn't take care of it.
Yeah, facts.
So it was all wet already.
Right.
So what are you going to do, right?
I mean, nothing. Now what are we going to do? I'm going to clean the inside one last time, and then I'm going to put carpet back in and do all kinds of stuff. So
yeah, it'll be nice. It'll be nice.
You guys, so we're going to go and celebrate. I'm making dinner just like last week. That's the least I can do for the homies if they're coming over to help me during COVID-19 lockdown. Wait, I mean, we're not that, what? We're not. Oh, you got that Rona? All right, guys, so leak test passed. The Mark IV is slowly getting there. But this is a huge boost up. Ooh, look at this though. Oh, if you guys have not seen Logan's Ruckus like up close and personal. Ooh, man, what does this say there? Oh, factory fiction. What? Oh my gosh. Defying culture. Ooh wee. Thing's hot though. Logan, your Ruckus is hot though. Alright guys, so man, I'm glad the Mark IV is actually starting to move forward. I might set up the tripod just so you can see if it'll go into gear and see if I can pull this back in the garage, and that's where we're going to end the video. So stay tuned if you want to see if this thing's going to move under its own power with the replacements we did on the clutch master cylinder and the brake master cylinder. So stay tuned.
Bye, Mike.
The brakes are like dying.
Well, he just left me. So let's see, how can I?
Something definitely smells.
Yeah, dude, the whole car.
Huh?
The whole car.
Hey guys, thanks again for tuning in. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, share with your people. Thank you so much for all of your support. I hope you guys are all staying safe in this crazy time in the world. Mike from Factory Fiction. We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace!